The summer is here and Laurasia Andrea is blessing y'all with another no heat protective style. So get that notebook and pen ready because girla, you need to stay tuned. My hair has been growing more than ever since I've been slaying my new Quickweave methods on my TikTok. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys follow me on TikTok as well at Laurasia Andrea. To get started, I'm using this rice water from As I Am. And I don't know if it's this product in particular or if it's my rosemary oil from Camille Rose. I've been only using these two products, and for sure, using this rice water combo with this rosemary oil is definitely bringing that moisture back to my hair. And since I've been using these two products, I've definitely seen a huge improvement in my growth of my hair. I'm sectioning off of my baby hair I want left out, and I'm going to be doing minimal leave out today. I decided to do a silk wrap with no heat instead of having no hair left out. I wanted to have at least some of my hair out to blend in with the clip-ins. The clip-ins are a Yaki straight texture, and since they're not curly or afro texture, I just wanted it to blend in as seamless as possible. Now I'm going to do 12 straight back cornrows to protect my natural hair underneath my clip-ins, but I'm also going to leave out 2 braids at the top for my leave out. I decided to braid all my hair up instead of putting the clip-ins in between my hair because it's 1,000,000 degrees outside, and braiding up the majority of my hair and having minimal leave out in front was a better option for less heat damage. After I finished braiding my hair, I just braided up all those braids into one single braid and just bobby pinned that up and out the way. This is actually how I'm going to be braiding my hair underneath my wigs and my quick weaves. To moisturize my braids and my scalp and avoid any itchiness, I love using this detangling spray from the Frontal Queen, and they are a black owned company for the Girlas to check out because it's made by us for us. These are the upgraded seamless Yaki straight clip-ins from BETTERLENGTHHAIR. They come 10 pieces in a pack, and they are considered an upgraded version of the seamless clip-ins because the hair on the track covers the seamless band, making it easier for my fine thin hair to cover the clip-ins rather than it having the typical seamless band that can be seen through fine thin hair. I used 1.5 bundles in the lengths 14 and 16, and when installing the clip-ins, I put the 14-inch in the back and the 16-inch in the front to have a longer front bang. The order I put the clip-ins in are as follows. I did 14-inch with 3 clips in the back, 14-inch with 4 clips in the middle, 16-inch with 5 clips in the front, and 16-inch with 2 clips around my parting. I just took my time installing each clip in until I got to the top around my braids and my leave out. Once I got to the top of my head and started to take my leave out down, I was like, okay, girla. My fine hair actually did cover the whole entire track of the clip-ins, and my confidence really definitely boosted because these clip-ins are really seamless and can actually look believable. I haven't done a Bobbiana in a minute, and since it's summertime, I wanted to give it a try on myself, and I was going for a long shoulder length bob. I started cutting the ends in small sections to form my bob, and I really took my time with this part, measuring out the hair to my shoulder area and cutting the hair in a straight line with some scissors. I didn't really worry about it being super perfect for the first go around because once I straightened the hair, I'm going to be cutting the hair once again, making sure that bob is close to perfect, but I at least wanted to get the shape format really good for this part as well. for my leave out, I'm taking it old school and doing a silk wrap blowout using Mousse from Design Essentials. I put that all over my hair and made sure I didn't get any directly on my roots, just a few inches above, and I especially put a lot of that mousse on the ends. Then using a stocking cap, I'm going to use that to lay down my hair and let it dry for 30 minutes. This is a part I usually would use a 360 hair dryer, kind of like the ones you guys see in black hair salons, but I didn't have one on hand. I will be ordering one from Amazon very soon, so cool air will have to do. My hair was at least 80% dry before I used my blow dryer on cool heat. I just clicked that cool icon on my blow dryer and used a brush to brush my natural hair into the clip-ins to blend them both together. This is a great alternative for people that are looking to have their hair straight in styles without getting that heat, especially in the summertime. I took medium sections of the clip-in hair and cleaned that up with some scissors, then used my EAP Heat 1.5 inch flat iron on 450 degrees to single pass straighten my clip-in hair. And when I got closer to my actual natural hair, I only really concentrated on the very ends of my hair and not the roots. And then after I finished flat ironing the entire bob, I wanted some baby hair action, and I love using this curl mousse from the Frontal Queen to swoop my baby hairs in place. Because it has a nice hold in the mousse and it doesn't leave my baby hairs super crunchy after they're dry, I just wanted to flatten that down with some cloth strips, and I will make sure I put those in my Amazon storefront under natural hair. And then va voom, Laurasia has entered the room. This Babiana is absolutely fire, and I can't wait to try out more heatless hairstyles for this summer. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel and turn on that notification button to get all my new uploads, and also follow me on TikTok, because if I'm not posting on YouTube, I'm definitely posting on TikTok. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one, and bye y'all.